Okay, so go ahead and answer. Okay, so I'm assuming, okay, 6 out of you, so Jill is not able to answer at this particular moment, but let me give you the answer. So 2 of you answered frequently. So out of those who answered frequently, let's see if you can provide an example of a decision support system and technology that is used in your organization. Yes, go ahead, Jordy.
Well, I don't use it myself because I'm not in senior management, so I'm not sure exactly what applications they're using. But like you said, the EIS being a subset, we get dashboards and scorecards every once in a while from our upper management.
Mhm. Okay, so it is being used, fine. And again, EIS is a subset of decision support system for the highest level management, but again, decision support systems can be used throughout managerial levels and throughout different types of employees. So, who else has said frequently? Who else answered frequently? I wonder if we can get
I said
another.
frequently. You hear?
Odd.
I said frequently, but I don't actually know what they are.
Yes.
I assume they said. I assume they do, but since I'm not involved in it, I'm not sure.
Okay. But something must have, I mean, something prompted you to say frequently. So what kind of uh, hunch, I mean, where do you have what kind of notion, on basis of what did you make that
Well, it's a,
statement?
Dresser-Rand's a large worldwide company. I suspect they have very
Aha,
high technology
soon,
systems
okay.
that do to perform that data acquisition and present it to upper level
Hey,
management.
that, any large company that deals with a lot of data uh, is almost 100% certainly using some kind of decision support system to leverage that. And that actually brings me to the next point I wanted to discuss, which is this whole notion of uh, as uh, as stated in the slides and in the book and in my lecture, is decision support systems are kind of back in vogue under, maybe it's they used to be big in the late 80s, early 90s. It was all about expert system and artificial intelligence, and kind of making the decision support system act as experts in one particular narrow field of expertise, giving expert advice to a particular problem. Where now it's really driven by so-called big data or explosion of data, that amount of data that modern companies possess is just enormous. And idea is that you almost treat it as like a raw material, raw ore that can be mined for diamonds and gold, of nuggets of information that can have true implications on your competitive position and how you run your business. So I wanted to discuss that a little bit. So this whole notion of data explosion